Ladies and gentlemen, Rapid Chess here, and today I will show you a game between Abdusattorov and Carlsen. I didn't find any other content from films, let's say from movies. So let's continue with this. So this is position where White is played by Abdusattorov. He's 17 years old, from Uzbekistan, who eventually became the world champion in this discipline. And Carlsen playing black. Carlsen has not been leading. He was among the leaders, but not exactly on the first place. But his rapid was a little bit better than Blitz. Blitz, he basically played much worse than he was expected to play. So in this position, normally, if you ask me, I'd say that the position is equal, yeah. But in practical game, I agree that this h4 pawn gives White very big chances to win, because White's play is pretty easy, just to escape all these checks and just move the pawn forward, and then eventually, very quickly, Black's position becomes very hard to defend. And the commentators were saying that, will Abdusattorov survive? Will he play for a find a perpetual or something? Yeah, but obviously he understands what this pawn means. h5, and Magnus found the best move, Queen e8. Otherwise, if you play Queen h7, that's too passive, I guess. Bishop e3 or something, yeah, then so he played here, and bishop e3, and Magnus could have made this draw, yeah, immediately, and but he was playing this kid, and he's not worse. He has a lot of tricks with the knight, so he decided to continue. He played f5 and h6, so not losing any time, and this pawn becomes really a big threat. Queen e4, preparing for checks from this side of the board, so he starts moving his king. King g2, check, and king h3. So now not easy to give a check, so Magnus decided to exchange the pieces, and check, 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 and queen g7. Yeah, this is the idea that these two pieces just this queen and pawn helps White to queen, check. And again, engine shows that every move here is a draw, but with these pawns, I guess not that easy to give check. Yeah, engine defends it perfectly, but it's typical engine position for human being. It's really hard to defend when you have 0 seconds on the clock. f3, I saw this move, but didn't really understand it. Probably just to free space for the queen to try to check, but with this pawn over here, chances to give perpetual are really slow, so he runs with the king. Starts running. This is, I think, queen b6, check, queen c6. I think, no, I think he would try something like this. Yeah, and it's also a draw. So Magnus didn't play it. He played check, and he decided to continue here. and queen h8, which is the best computer move, but yeah, Abdusattorov managed to put his queen on c7, and so no checks are allowed. And in this position, Abdusattorov played the interesting move. He didn't capture this pawn, which everyone would do. He wants to use this pawn as a wall to protect from checks. And this is a critical mistake already. Magnus didn't find any good defense from king will run away around this queen and defend and then win some tempo. So he decided to give this pawn away. Sorry, b4, check, and after queen d4 he won immediately because of the exchange of queens. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you next time.